Her melanin so sweet like a Kit Kat. Oh yeah, she got a very big hammer on a big back. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tasha Hamilton, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And for today's video, I'm doing some head wraps for short hair, and I hope you enjoy it. And so I'm just putting some gel around my hair just to slick my hair back, and I will be using a brush to just work the gel into my head. And I do this all the time when I am doing head wraps because of how short my hair is. So my first head wrap will be a low bun, and I'm taking this scarf. I don't know where it's from, but this is just like a loose stretchy scarf, and I'm just putting it over my head and then fixing it and then creating a ponytail in the back and just twirling around the excess fabric. Once I am finished twirling, I am then going to create a bun. And then I will just fix my baby hair, and then that is it for this first head wrap look. And for the second look, I am not going to explain it because I feel like it's pretty hard to explain, but you can see what I will be doing. And this is like a turban look. And for this head wrap, I don't really know what to call it, but here are the steps. So first I'll be creating a massive twist, and then I'll put that across my head, going backwards of course. And then the excess I will bring right around to connect to that first twist, and then tuck away the excess. Last look, I'll be creating a top knot, which is my favorite. So I bring all of the fabric to the front, and then I'll create a ponytail, and then I will twist the fabric and gather like the excess that I didn't have in the long ones, and then I will twist. And to create the knot, I am twirling around the fabric while creating a bun, and just playing around with the bun to get it to my liking. And with this head wrap, I like to make sure that my edges is slick as possible, so that's what I'm doing right now. So that is it for this video. I hope you did enjoy them. If you did, please remember to thumb this video up, comment down below and tell me what look was your favorite, and also subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.
Her melanin so sweet like a Kit Kat.